Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIF's Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a computer class for class 3 students. Our today's topic, Chapter 7, Short Question 2 and MCQ 6 to 10. Let's see. Class 3, Subject Computer, Term Manual, Chapter 7, SQ2 plus MCQ. Lecture 7, SW6. Teacher Muhammad Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and this is my messenger ID. So let's start the class. But before starting class, open your book, computer book, and go to page number 50, Chapter 7, Task Paint. Okay. So we are starting class. Chapter 7 is Q2. We in last class we did short question 1. Today we will learn short question 2, SQ2. What is the use of the magic tool in task pane? So our question to this question is, what is the use of the magic tool in task pane? Okay. Answer: task paint includes a number of filters and special effects which can be applied to a drawing for changing the color or enhancing the drawing. These effects are made with the magic tool. So this is the use of magic tool. Let's read again. Short question number 2. What is the use of the magic tool in task pane? Answer: task paint includes a number of filters and special effects which can be applied to a drawing for changing the color or enhancing the drawing. These effects are made with the magic tool. I am repeating for the last time. So question 2. What is the use of the magic tool in task pane? Answer: task paint includes a number of filters and special effects which can be applied to a drawing for changing the color or enhancing the drawing. These effects are made with the magic tool. Let's come to annual term, Lecture 7, SW6, submit on Sunday. Your SW6 will be Chapter 7 is Q2. We have learned SQ2 and MCQ 6 to 10. So we will learn now MCQ 6 to 10. So your SW will be SQ2 and MCQ 6 to 10. Let's see MCQ 6 to 10. MCQ 6, I am not pointing so that you can see the MCQ very clearly. Number 6. The white portion in task pane window is known as the drawing dash area, canvas, color box, and none of these. Number 7. Task paint is interesting software for number A, drawing and coloring, B, writing, C, listening, D, all of these. Number 8. We find eraser tool in toolbox, A, B, color box, C, ribbon, D, none of these. Number 9. To save drawing, we have to click number A, open, new, start, save. Number 10. If you want to open a drawing already present in task pane, you have to use which tool? Number A, save, number B, open, number C, extract, number D, discard. I am repeating for the last time. 6. The white portion in task pane window is known as the drawing. Number A, area, B, canvas, C, color box, D, none of this. Number 7. Task Pen is interesting software for number A, drawing and coloring, B, writing, C, listening, D, all of this. Number 8, we find eraser tool in number A, toolbox, B, color box, C, ribbon, D, none of this. Number 9, to save drawing we have to click number A, open, B, new, C, start, D, save. Number 10, if you want to open a drawing already present in Task Pen, you have to use which tool? A, save, B, open, C, extract, D, discard. So your SW will be SW6 will be submit on Sunday, chapter 7 SQ2 and MCQ 6 to 10. Chapter 7 SQ2 and MCQ 6 to 10. So my dear students, that's all for today. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm from the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBA, CT and diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copy, and we are giving 2.5 mark each in your SW copies. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe. Stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.